Okay, so there's an imposter of me because I was on this. I don't know where y'all know who he is because I made a video on them hating on Cookie. I'm really sorry about that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna join her. Oh wait, we already did because I did off screen. Uh, Now you're wondering where am I in the video? Where am I in the live stream actually? If we go to Club Insanity right here, I was just on Club Insanity. I just wanted to troll SpongeBob with no with underwear, and then I see this girl join, and I'm like, there's me right there, Seahorse 155. That is literally my account, Seahorse 155. And guess what I'm dressed like? Like this. Does that seem suspicious to you? Now, he literally noticed me. Um, she's like, this is the worst rain ever. And then, and then everyone's crowding her. Okay, okay, it was somewhere all the way over here. Okay, there's me right in front of her. Right in front of him. Now, what you're about to see is what I'm going to tell you what she said. She said, "Y'all even wearing beat clothes." I'm like, what is this? That's when she looks at me and says, "We see SpongeBob here." Bah, bah. I see Barney. And yeah, that's when I begin with the video. Uh, Now this is where we get to another apology video. Not like it's made in 2017 or 2016.
Okay, so ever since 2018 started, now I know you're wondering, why am I a squeaker? Well, we don't know. Not like I'm using a voice changer or anything, like we don't have any proof.
And yeah, so let's get on to the serious stuff. Okay, so ever since 2018 started, I wasn't posting after my road to 40 subs. Right when I hit 40 subs, I'm not making another 40k special. I mean, why am I always saying 40k? Even though a 40 subscriber special. And my friend also hit 800 subs. Now it's complicated because he made a subscriber special on it and I didn't. And now people are just wondering where the hell did I go? They're probably thinking I'm dead. No, once you see this video, you're probably gonna think he got raised from the dead. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Um, so what we're gonna do is talk about the things that happened while I was on my break on YouTube. Uh, so what happened was I was just doing VR chat trolls on hey, do you know the way? Yeah, I just learned that voice. Or you'd like me do it like this.
Hey, do you know the way? Come on, my brothers.
Let's find a way. Yeah, it's very weird in my opinion also. Uh, how can we do this? I'm sorry for not posting. Now you may be wondering, wait, what's on your mind now? I know something's in your mind, huh? Okay, nothing's changed about me except for everything, basically. But one all these times in 2018, something weird has been happening in Roblox. All the time with my friend. Now, my friend is, you may know him, because he's literally friends with me, and probably some of you are subscribed to him. His name is Freeman455, or as I like to call him, Brandon, aka Darth Frog, because that's his Steam name. So, this is him, Darth Frog. You can go follow him, but only in my opinion. Don't tell him that I said this. If he sees this video, I'm sorry, man. They just have to follow you. Okay, so, oh shit, I forgot they can see mine. I forgot. Anyways, so we are scrolling down Roblox in high school, and we see this Jason Voorhees guy, right? It's like not like a troll or anything. Like it's like not talking. Like it's like the real thing. Like it's not talking or even typing. So like it's walking everywhere and it's acting stupid. And then the next month, this month, he comes back. Now we're wondering, oh, it's this guy again. And then my friend's not on the game, and he's like, oh, well, prove it. And I took a picture of it, and now he's believing me, and now he doesn't care about it anymore. So what happened was we were trying to find him, and then I saw him in the camp, like Crystal Camp, like the Crystal Lake camp thing, and then I see him going to the lake. Seems suspicious to you? I have a bad grammar. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, guys. So what happened was, it's like a real thing, like a real life, and then right when I went in, like you could see a little bit of the top of his head. Well, I saw a little bit of the top of his head. And he just disappeared. No falling down, no like drop, just poof, disappeared. Now I'm just scared, man. So then once we go back to the beach, I see no, my friend, we were like on a voice chat, and then he was like, okay, dude, go to the beach. He's probably no. He said, okay, he's probably at the beach, like somewhere there. And then right when he said that, I was at the beach, and then there he goes, coming out of the water of the beach. Now this scared me for life, and then that's when Jason got in my Steam chat, our Steam chat, and then he said this, that we have 5 days left. Now we have 3 days left. We're literally about to die. Okay, where is it? He was somewhere here. Oh god. Oh. Okay, you almost saw my password right there. You almost saw my Steam password right on the spot. And you thought you were gonna hack me, but you were wrong. Never judge a book by its cover. So what happened was he there was this chat on it. It said see you in 5 days in like a crazy language. I'm like, no, I'm not dealing with this demonic stuff. So then I text him about it, and tomorrow, like, it's 4 days left. And then he's like, dude, let's not just talk about it anymore. Now, that's what's getting me scared, man. Because it literally got in our chat and just sounded like some robot meme. And I was freaked out, man. Now you're going to be saying, oh, it's just him. He was literally talking while it was happening. So if it was him, he'd be silent. Because every time when he makes a noise, like, he's always silent. But this time he was talking. See, suspicious? Okay, that is all for me. Thanks so much for watching, and please help me and my friend. That is all. Make sure to like and subscribe, join the family if you can, and press the notification to be in the notification squad. I know that's new to my channel. And peace out, Evolutions. Bye. Okay. Before we go, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 40 subs. I forgot to say that in the video. Wait, I think I just said that in the video. Okay, hold on. I could check like once it's uploading, but if this is a mistake, I'm sorry. I will be posting a 40 subscriber special tomorrow. And peace out, Evolutions. Bye.